with the meeting. This is Ellen McCauley. We're talking about Weight Loss 101. These materials are for you to read at home. I hit the high points here. If you're thinking about snacking, leave the environment. If you're in the gift shop, when there's all those different snacks, just walk away. We're not going to make you stay there. And sometimes you're just tired. You think you're hungry, you're tired, go to bed. So many people have crazy goals. And I love this. It's called the insistent imperative syndrome. Most of the people in the group have it, even if you don't know what the heck it is. It's because you say these things to you with these global statements. I always gain the weight back. I never can stay on a plan. My life is so hectic and bad and stressed, I can't do this program right now. Or then you say to yourself, you know what? I'm going to do this. I'm going to get up in the morning and I'm not going to eat anything. I'm going to have water for a week and then I'm going to exercise 5 hours a day, and that's what I'm going to do. One of the things, we think people have eating disorders, anorexia, bulimia. I don't have those. I never had anorexia. I never had bulimia. But what I have, instead of an eating disorder, I have disordered eating. And many of the things I would do was because of that insistent syndrome. I would say, I always gain it back. And there's always a part of me that goes, are you gonna, will you? Everyone has setbacks. Everyone does. But what we need to do is John. Look, he's not even listening to me. All right. Everyone has the Mount Everest syndrome here too. We have to lose 50 pounds or we're a failure. We have to walk 10 miles or we don't do it right. We have to walk every single day. How about if we just say, I want to do the best I can. I want to just come and just try. If I stay the same, that's fine. Our goals need to be trackable, positive, personal, rewarding. We just have to start loving ourselves and being kind. I'll walk for 20 minutes 4 times this week. Write your goals down. So many people don't write it down. You're keeping a diet diary, a food log. Some people are doing great jobs at it, some people aren't. Who are you fooling if you have like 5 burgers and you don't write it down? Who are you fooling if you're having a half a gallon of ice cream a day and you're not writing it down? The log is not for me, it is for you. Eat slower, this article suggests. Swallow your food, relax. So many people eat standing up. They eat in the car. They're talking to someone when they're eating. 3 meals a day with dignity. You say your grace. You thank God for the food. You say to your son, what did you do today? You say to your husband, how was your day? And you might say, oh, Ellen, my life is so crazy. I can't do that. Well, sit down by yourself then and try to eat slowly. Then it says use chopsticks for all cuisines. I'm going to put this chopsticks with the sauna and the tanning bed because I can't wrap my head around it. Has anyone eaten their meals with chopsticks here? No. No. Well, so who wants to try it and tell us if they lose any weight? Okay. Sit down when you eat. And then another thing. One of the things someone had trouble with is every time they went home from here, their loved one or family member would say, how much did you lose today? How'd you do? Did you lose any? And then you know what the struggle is. Sometimes you go up, you go down. Sometimes you just stay the same. What you say is this. You have no idea how much I appreciate your support and your interest. I love you so much. But could we make an agreement today that from now on, I'll tell you how the meeting was, I'll tell you how great it was, but can you not ask me how much I lost? Because those times that I stayed the same or maybe gained kind of makes me feel bad. And I promise you that when I do have a victory worth sharing, you'll be the first to know. How does that sound? Because somebody else told me in the group it made them a nervous wreck to go home, especially when they gained a pound. And they felt like they wanted to lie about it. About a weight loss group at a church, and they're hardcore Catholic, and they asked me my advice about lying, about losing weight. Hello! And I gave that statement. I don't know if they used it, but try it. Also, if people give you food gifts, what you say to them, thank you for that lovely gift. in the future, could you get me a Fitbit? They're on sale at Target. They're only 80 bucks. Thank you. Then you make sure they get you something that you can use besides food. What is brisk walking? There is an article on brisk walking because so many of you walk like me sometimes, where we're like, hey, how you doing? Everything's great. And you're supposed to be walking really fast to the point where you get kind of breathless. Okay. Grilled shrimp skewers over white bean salad. Only 212 calories, 575 sodium. You could probably get it down a little if you look at some of the ingredients. I'm going to stop there, Bob. We talked in Hebrews